Alright, it's Sunday, and it's the day before we leave to go to Lynn's, which means Mark and I will be dragging our bodies to an airport for the first time in over a year. This is our first trip anywhere post-pandemic, and I am freaking out. I feel like I'm going to vomit. I'm gonna clean off this entire desk area of all of the clutter, and then the actual project that we're exhibiting, that all the travel is all about, these will be pulled down and taken apart. The acrylic is going to get sandwiched into portable envelopes and then stowed very carefully in my suitcase in between clothes. And I think Mark is going to stow the actual hardware, the electronics, in his bag, so that's all his territory. Alright, so I want to make sure that I bring all of the new stuff that I got within the past month or so. I more or less got an entire new wardrobe of things, comprised mostly of tee-back tank tops that are super soft and breathable, man's dress shirts in a variety of festive colors that is going to be my outer layer in case it gets chilly at night. And I got some of my favorite sports shorts with the weird stripey thing on the side and the little like dimple part that goes up on the thigh. I don't know, I've always kind of liked these. And I got some fun swim shorts to wear underneath my dress shirts and stuff. You know, it's fucking important. Anyhow, so I don't know, I'm gonna pack some of the things I got before quarantine happened that I haven't yet worn, like this fun windbreaker. And I've got a new laptop case, and I just packed my my boots. So these were $400 boots, proper villain boots. There's no reason to have proper villain boots if you don't wear them. And I have to just fill this one section with not only all of my clothes, but all of the acrylic and 3D printed parts that I need to break down and take with us. This is my new Casey-do for my new toy. I'm bringing this gorgeous, tasty looking thing with me because I'm gonna wear it. Kind of like the boots, you don't make a devil tail unless you plan on wearing it. What else? Oh yeah, my Kagero hat. This guy right here that I hand sewed. This thing I wear quite often. I just need to add some grommets to the back. There's like a little piece of elastic and a slit here for you know, ease of fit or comfort fit. Nice stretchy bit. But there's gonna be some grommets on either side so I can lace up some red ribbon and make it look a little bit more presentable. I want to take care of that before I leave. And no Kakumaki yet, no Shiban, really just devil stuff, new dress shirts, and my horns. So I'm printing a new collection of horns because I'm going to be giving a couple pairs away to my friends. These need bands, and if I have a minute before I leave, I'm going to solder up some LEDs and throw them in the band so that they do glow. Got a few more battery boxes left to use, and then this fleece is going to be packed and taken with me so that I can make a few more demon friends in my apartment once I get there, as a means to keep myself de-stressed. So this is probably going to be my nightly ritual, is just stabbing more hair demons into the world. This is the strap that's going to be the belt for the devil tail over there, so that can wrap around my hips and match. This is from the Shiban project. I used it for something. It's getting recycled since it's the correct, I don't know, aesthetic. Looks pretty much exactly like that TPU. This is going to be a moo box for one of the cows that I'm bringing with me that I made for a friend. It's this cow right here. So the person that I made this for, if they happen to be at the festival this year, then they'll be receiving this cow buddy. So So you're coming with me. If not, then I'm just gonna sleep with it at night. And I'm bringing Mark with me. Yeah?